Last week we were discussing about our lesson number 6, which is about the internet, right? So that is about the internet. So we just discussed what is internet first of all, like we just discussed what is internet and what kind of services that we can obtain through internet. So that is what we have discussed at the first instance. What is internet and what kind of services are we receiving through the internet? Can anybody remember what is internet? Let's remind this again for the students who have joined today. So there are some new students who have joined recently, and for them, so let's explain. So what is internet? Internet කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? What is internet? So one more thing today, I'm not normally doing English medium class only in English medium, but maybe like for few weeks in the beginning I will be doing Sinhala and English medium both, but later gradually I will turn the class into English medium class. It will become fully English medium. Okay, for betterment of understanding I will tell that in Sinhala as well. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් මම Sinhala medium English medium class එක පුතේ English medium ම කරන්නේ. එතකොට සිංහල ටිකක් අඩුවෙන් තමයි පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ. ගොඩාක් අඩුවෙන් සිංහල පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ. හැබැයි ඔයාලට language issues තියෙනවා නම් ඔයාලට දෙකටම එන්න පුළුවන්. එකම fee එකට ආයි අමතරව ගෙවීමක් කරන්න ඕන නැහැ. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට සිංහල medium English medium දෙකටම සහභාගී වෙන්න පුළුවන්. හරි? ඒක පුංචි මතක් කිරීමක්. එතකොට ඔයාගේ language ප්‍රශ්නේ විසඳෙයි. මොකද මේකේ මම දෙකෙන්ම කියන එක කියන්න කිව්වොත් ඒක එච්චරම සාර්ථක නැහැ. එතකොට ඔයාලට මේක එපා වෙනවා. එකම එක දෙකකින් කියන්න ගියාම ඊට වැඩිය හොඳයි. language තියෙන ප්‍රශ්න තියෙන දරුවෝ දෙකටම සහභාගී වෙන එකෙන් ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ skill එක හදා ගන්න පුළුවන්. Right? Okay. So what is internet? So no one answered my question. I have given the preparation time also. Internet කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? What is internet? Yes? Internet. Internet means it is a network of networks. Right? Internet is a large network, large public network. It is a network of networks. So here what you need is, you don't need the by heart thing or the book knowledge. You need to think. So I said this in the Sinhala medium class also. Develop your thinking ability. කවුරු හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් අහුවම පුතේ උත්තර දෙන්න දන්නේ නැති වුණත් උත්තර දෙන්න උත්සාහ කරන්න. Try to answer. Even if you don't know how to answer, try to answer that question. That is one thing. The second thing is, so listen carefully what the particular person is asking. Yeah, අහන්නේ මොනවද කියලා පොඩ්ඩක් අහුම්කම් දෙන්න. Sometimes in the question itself you can find the answer. Question එකේම සමහරට උත්තරයක් තියෙනවා. Then internet කිව්වොත් හිතන්නේ internet. It is interconnected networks. Right? Then you will get some marks. නේද? exam එකේ ඔයාලා කටපාඩම් කරන්න කියලා තමයි කොහොරද්ද ගන්න. Internet කිව්වම දැන් හිතන්න ඕනේ internet. So interconnected networks. You will get some marks. That is not a perfect answer. But anyway, some answer. ඔයාලා ඔක උඩ බලාගෙන ඉන්න internet කිව්වම ඔයගොල්ලෝ බලන්න දැන් හිටපු හැටි. No one tried to answer. Everyone was just thinking මොනවාද පින්තූරේ දිහා බලන් ඉන්නවා සමහරු computers වල එක එක වැඩ මට පේනවා. වෙන වැඩ. සමහරු නිකන් වටේ පිටේ බලාගෙන hina වෙවි ඉන්නවා. නේද? හැබැයි කවුරුත් හරියට අහුම්කම් දෙන්නේ නැහැ. අහුම්කම් දෙනවා නම් දෙනම කෙනා අහුම්කම් දෙන කෙනා ඉස්සෙල්ලාම උත්තර දෙනවා පුතේ. So that is what the intelligent is, right? So become intelligent person. Don't just become a parrot. Parrot can repeat the things that I am telling. So if I ask some parrots to join this class, if I say internet is network of networks, the parrots are telling internet is network of networks. පෙත්තොබත් කෑවද? පෙත්තත් අහනවා පෙත්තොබත් කෑවද කියලා මගේ. නැත්තම් එහෙම ඇහුවම පෙත්ත උත්තර දෙනවා කියපු විදියට. පෙත්තොබත් කෑවද? පෙත්තොබත් කෑවා කියලා. ඒ parrotsලා. එහෙම වෙන්න එපා. I don't need parrots in my classes. So what is internet? When I ask that question, try to think and answer. Okay, listen carefully first. Then what is internet? Become a parrot.
Network of networks.
That is a parrot answer. A network of networks. Typical parrot answer. No discrimination, just tell it, right? Okay. The internet is network of network. Or you can say the world's largest network. The world's largest network. So what is network then? Network network. What is network?
Connected computer.
Yes, interconnected computer. Interconnected computers. Why computers are interconnected? Why computers connect kala tiyenne? Okay, so when again something to your intelligence. Hari donna buddhimat lamainte. Again this to your intelligence.
To share information.
Yes, share information is one thing, and another thing is communication. Share resources and communication. So those are the two uses. So always match the things in the world with your existing lifestyle. So that is what intelligent people do. Match the things in the world with your existing life cycle. You can compute එක match කරන්න ඔයාලත් එක්ක. ඒක lazy from in උත්තර දෙන්න. Computer, how you respond to the world, you talk. Similar to that, computer has speakers. So those are called output. You take things in, you see things, you hear things. Similar to that, the computer has inputs. Microphone, webcam, keyboard, mouse, these are inputs. So computers will also talk to each other, like you talk to your friends. Computer will also talk to other computers. How? Through networks. Right? Computer will talk to other computers. Basically, that is called networks. Why you talk to your friends? Yes. Why you guys are talking to your friends?
Because we have to talk in short. Exchange our ideas.
Yeah, to tell what you think, to exchange your ideas, to express your ideas. That is communication. So, anything else? Why you are coming? So think about your school environment. In the school, why you? So you are talking to your friend. What can be the reason?
To get some help.
Yes, yeah, to get some help. Maybe you can ask, can I get you a pen? Can I have your eraser? Okay, do you have Tipex with you? Do you have extra book or extra pen? To get some resource, right? To share the resources. Right? Shall we take the lunch now? Shall we take our breakfast now? To share the resources. Similarly, computers are connected. Computers are connected to share the resources. What are the resources that computers share? Computer වලට කැම share කරගන්න බෑ. Yes. Internet, very good. Internet is one resource that computer can share. Can you tell me some more? What are the other resources that computers can share?
Viruses.
Viruses? Is it a very good thing to share? Yes, it is sharing viruses, yes, but that is not a positive thing, right? So are you talking to your friends to share corona?
No, sir.
So it is purposefully. If you are doing this purposefully, that is not good, right? You can do, but that is not good. So anyway, share virus will also be shared. That is true, but that is not good. That is not a good thing.
Document.
Okay. Document, yes, document can be shared.
Links.
Yes. Pictures. All these belongs to data, right? You can share data and information. Okay, you can share data and information. You can share internet. So what about sharing printers and all? Can we do using networks?
Yes, sir.
Yes, one printer can be shared with others. One internet connection can be shared with others. One scanner can be shared with others. One hard disk can be shared with others. Right? So processing power can be shared with others. Likewise, a lot of hardware and software things can be shared in the network. Okay, now you know what is network, right? Network means two or more computers connected. Why? To share resources and also to communicate. The එකක් තමයි resource sharing, අනිත් එක communication. That is why we have networks. එතකොට ඒ වගේ network ගොඩාක් ගත්තම එහෙම තමයි internet හැදිලා තියෙන්නේ. So internet is a large interconnected computer networks. Okay, how many of you have networks in your home? කී දෙනෙක්ගේ ගෙදර networks තියෙනවද? Can you raise your hand if you have network in your home? Okay, I can see right? How many? 6 students, 7 students got networks in their home. 8 students, okay. 9 students, right? Graduate, now 11 students. Oh, you all have networks in your home, right? How? 12. Because, so now try to answer this question. How do you join to this class? How do you access internet to join this class? Yes, tell me your answer. Using Wi-Fi. Using Wi-Fi. Using Wi-Fi router. How many of you are joining using Wi-Fi router? Again, please your hand. Please.
I'm
All right, okay. 10 are joining using Wi-Fi router. 10 දෙනෙක් 11 දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා Wi-Fi router. එතකොට කවුද data card වලින් phone එකෙන් join වෙන්නේ? Lower the hand.
only for now because I'm having a power cut.
Power cut in the data card එකෙන් ඉන්නේ. හරි. ඒ data card එකෙන් එන කී දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවද? How many of you are coming from data card? Can you raise your hand? සානුගේ තිනරියන් රිතුම් නේද? 3 දෙනයි. එතකොට අනිත් ඔක්කොම network වල ඉන්නේ.
Sorry sir, I couldn't.
You are not. All right, okay.
I couldn't lower my hands.
All right, okay. Tinari joining using data card. Data cards are in the Tinari end.
Yes sir.
Okay. Ryan using data cards. There, Ryan Ross.
Yes sir.
All right, okay, data cards. Ritum using data cards. Ne dahare. එතකොට එහෙම 3 දෙනයි එන්නේ. එතකොට අනිත් 15 දෙනෙන් 14 දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. ඒ ඔක්කොම එන්නේ Wi-Fi router එකේ. So කොහොමද network එක හැදෙන්නේ කියලා කියන්නද මම? ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නේ නැතුව සමහරට. Okay, let's see, this is your Wi-Fi router. අපි දැන් මේ තියෙන වාගේ Wi-Fi router එක කියලා. Okay, let's see, let's think this as your Wi-Fi router, right? එතකොට into this Wi-Fi router පුතේ, now you are connected to this Wi-Fi router, right? Now you are connected to your computer or your mobile phone. මොකක් හරි වාගේ device එකක් තියෙනවනේ. You are joining using some device now. Let's say you are joining using your laptop example, right? එතකොට ඒක මේකට connect වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. Let's think you are joining using mobile phone. Mobile phone එකෙන් join වෙනවා කියලා. එතකොට that mobile phone is also connected to, that can also be connected to this Wi-Fi router. So now you have mobile phone and laptop together. It is a network. එතකොට ඔයා නැත්නම් ඔයා laptop එකෙන් join වෙනවා, තාත්තා Wi-Fi router එකට connect වෙලා ඉන්නවා mobile phone එකේ. අම්මගේ phone එකේනොත් අම්මා සමහර YouTube එකේ මොන හරි video එකක් බලනවා. But mother's phone and it's also used for some YouTube purpose or Facebook something. So father's phone is also connected. Mother's phone is also connected. Your computer is also connected. So this is a network. This is home network. Then network. Device එකකට වැඩි තියෙනවනේ පුතේ. Device දෙකක් හෝ ඊට වැඩි තිබ්බනම් network. දැන් තව අය ඉන්නවා, some of you, සමහර අය මෙහෙම කරනවා. දැන් current එක නැති වෙලාවට මෙහෙමත් කරන්න පුළුවන්. කවුද මෙහෙම කරන්නේ කියලා මට කියන්න. So think that you have your laptop, you don't have power, it's a router off වෙලා කියලා අපි හිතමු. Then but you have mobile phone and mobile data. So some people put mobile data hotspot and connect laptop to mobile data. How many of you are using like this? Danuri, Senodi, Desadi, Igihasi, Yona, oh, a lot of people. This is also a network. මෙහෙම කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. Hotspot එකක් දාලා computer එක connect කරනවා. That is also a network. That is also correct. Right? That is also two devices. No router is there, but still you are connected. So you are sharing internet. නේද? මෙතන තියෙන internet ඔයා share කරගන්නවා. මෙයාගේ තියෙන internet මෙයාත් එක්ක share කරගන්නවා. laptop එකට share කරනවා. So that is resource sharing. Okay, now you know what is network, how networks are created. That's why I said most of you are in networks. Then when you connect all these networks together in the world, it creates a very large network called internet. Internet is not just for the world, but it is beyond the world, right? Then අපි internet හිතන් ඉන්නේ මේ ලංකාවේ පෘථිවිය විතරයි කියලා. අපෝ නෑ, පෘථිවියෙන් එහා තියෙන satellites internet connect ඒවා තියෙනවා. චන්ද්‍රිකා, ඒ කියන්නේ උඩ තියෙන මෙහෙම චන්ද්‍රිකා තියෙනවා, ඒවා internet connected ඒවා තියෙනවා. Space station, International Space Station is connected to the internet. So there are some planets වල research කරනකොට සමහර planet වලට හඳට එහෙම rovers එහෙම යවලා research කරනකොට ඒවත් connect කරලා තියෙනවා. Yes පුතේ?
I can't hear you, sir.
Senodi. Can others hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Senodi මං හිතන්නේ Senodi හරියට ඇහෙන්නේ නැද්ද? Senodi? දැන් ඇහෙනවද? Is it okay now?
Okay.
All right. So sometimes with a signal lag signal issues are there, right? When there's power cut එනකොට signal issues එන්න පුළුවන්. But normally I'm trying to give my level best. So I'm connecting to the fiber connection. When power is not there, I'm shifting to my solar system and again connecting to the this system, right? Fiber system. So therefore, normally in my end, the connection is bit stable. Okay, 99%ක්ම okay, but 1% there can be errors. Okay. So what are the services given through the networks? Internet වලින් දෙන services මොනවාද? We discussed them as well. We learn what is network. And this notice I have already given it to you. If you have not received the note, please tell me, then I can send it to you, right? We discussed what is internet. What are the services that you get through the internet? Yes?
Agricultural activities.
Agricultural activities are
Working activities.
Email.
be more general. Be more general. General means like, so what are the basic service models that you can get? Service categories. So one thing is websites, right? World Wide Web. From World Wide Web, you can get like agricultural facilities, agricultural information, online banking, ordering, social networks, multimedia, games, entertainment, job searching, buying, selling, researching, education, right? And many more. So web is one service. So likewise, if you categorize this to some other service, what are the other services?
Teleconferencing.
Teleconferencing, yes. Remote conferencing, teleconferencing. What we are doing now is teleconferencing. Conference, but it is tele. Tele means distance. Telephone, ඈතින්නම් phone කරනවා. Television, ඈතින්නම් වෙන දෙයක් බලනවා. Telegram, ඈතින්නම් පණිවිඩ යවනවා. Right? Teledrama, ඈත තියෙන drama එක. ඒ වගේ telecommunication කියන්නේ, sorry, conference කියන්නේ ඈතින්නම් conference කරනවා. ඈතින්නම් සම්මානන තියෙනවා. Tele, distance conferences. Teleconferences. Zoom is teleconferencing application. Correct. So web is one service. Email is another service. Right?
Remote access.
Remote access. What is remote access? What is remote control? TV remote control can be used to access TV without moving closer to the TV. You can stay at your sofa or bed and control the TV because it is remotely working. Remote access කියන්නේ ඈතින්නම් අපිට පුළුවන් control කරන්න. Remote control. So remote access is something similar. දැන් ඔය අභ්‍යවකාශ මධ්‍යස්ථානයට එහෙම යන්න, to access International Space Station, to access the rovers, to access the robots in the ocean, maybe for oil in the oil refineries, තෙල් ගබඩාවල එහෙම ඇතුළට, තෙල් oil refineries වල එහෙම තෙල් කැනීම් සඳහා ඉස්සලම රොබෝල යවන්න. මිනිස්සු යවන්නේ භයානක ඒවා ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් වලට. මුලින්ම පස්සේ යවන මිනිස්සු. තත්ත්වය හොඳ නැහැ. Right? එතකොට ඒ වගේ ඒවට then mining industry, mining ඔය පතල් කර්මාන්ත ඒ වගේත් එහෙම තමයි. In the mining industry. So it uses, right? It uses this remote access facility. Teleconferencing කියන්නේ ඈතින්නම් conference තියෙන. Zoom, MS Team, Google Meet are examples. Right? This we have already discussed, right? එතකොට තව තියෙනවා පුතේ. Instant messengers. ෂණිකව message යවන්න තියෙන WhatsApp, Viber, email, Line, Telegram. Okay, those are examples for instant messengers. And those are also internet services. එතකොට දැන් මේවා categories විදිහට මතක තියාගන්න. ඔයාලා කියපු ඒවා හරියි. What you told is correct today. So you can say browsing information, online banking, ordering, games, entertainment, remote access, job searching, buying and selling, then multimedia, downloading movies. ඒ ඔක්කොම හරි. හැබැයි ඒවා කරන මෝඩ් තියෙනවනේ. කොහොමද movie download කරන්නේ? web වලින්. කොහොමද Facebook යන්නේ? website එකක් විදියට. Gmail access කරන්නේ website එකක් විදියට. සාමාන්‍ය email නෙවෙයි. සාමාන්‍ය normal email is this. This is normal email. Gmail is not normal email. Gmail is a web based email. Gmail කියන්නේ web based. මේ වෙනම software තියෙනවා email වලට. This is a different software for email. This is Apple Mail. A different software for emails. This is Apple Mail. Similar to that, you have Windows Outlook කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා email වලට විතරක් ඒක. හැබැයි Gmail කියන්නේ website එකක්. හරි Gmail access කරන්නේ web browser එකෙන් මේ. web browser එකෙන් ගිහිල්ලා ඊට පස්සේ Google එකේ අපිට mail වලට යන්න පුළුවන්. මේ තියෙන Gmail. Gmail is web mail. එක web based එකක් නේ. This is a website. Web based email. Understand the difference, right? That is also email type, but it is web based email. Hi. Let's come back. Right, online shopping. Evat website link කරන්න. Bill payments, website link. Newspaper reading, website link. Right? ඒ හින්දා තමයි මම මේ ඔක්කොම එකතු කරලා web කියලා දැම්මේ එක. Inside that you have all the services. We discuss about that. Then we learn about the web browser and the search engine now. This is the main point. Can you remember the difference? What is search engine? What is web browser?
You
Web
can
browser,
access a search engine like a normal website.
Can you tell it again?
In a search engine, we can access search engine like a normal website.
Search engine we can. It a very important search. Think like don't buy hard. They are hard just think about the word search and engine. So then try to find the answer from my question itself. Question එකෙන්ම හිතලා බලන්න. උත්තරයක් දෙන්න පුළුවන් කියලා. Search engine. Yes.
Sir, can you tell that question again? I couldn't hear you properly.
Yeah, I'm asking what is search engine? Search engine. Okay, if I ask, if I tell you something like this, grass cutting machine, what it does?
It cuts the grass.
Yeah, it cuts the grass. Then I'm telling okay, backhoe machine.
Excuse me, sir.
Backhoe machine, what it does? Backhoe machine. Okay, just forget about backhoe machine. I'm telling printing machine, what it does?
It prints paper. We give.
Now tell me search engine, what it does? Search engine, what it does? Simple. Searching. Searching what? Searching what?
Searching.
Searching information. In where? Searching information in where?
Web browser.
Web browser.
In internet.
Searching information in internet. Using what?
Web browser.
Using web browser. Right? That is okay. Search engine, search information in the internet. Actually, information in the web using web browsers. What is web browser then? What is web browser?
Can use internet.
Yeah, it can use internet. That is correct. I'm asking. Okay, I'm telling you something. What is washing machine? You tell it can use electricity. Is it correct?
No.
Mhm. The main purpose is washing clothes, right? Similar to that, I'm asking, what is web browser? It can use internet, that is true, but that is not the answer.
It is a
We can search information.
To search information, you have search engines.
A software.
it is to open websites and web pages.
Yes, it is a software which is used to display websites and web pages. Very good. So understand the difference, right? Don't buy hard. Katapadam karanne epa. So if you try to like buy hard these things, it is difficult, boring task. Okay. So I was asking some question in the single medium class. I will repeat that question in your class also. Right? Who has created the Parakrama Samudra? Yes.
King Parakrama.
King Parakrama Bahu. Alone or with some? Yes. Not so. That is what. So in history, Pute, we try to by heart things. In history, we try to remember the things. But these book writers, they have written some facts in these books, but that is not real history. Okay, who created Sigiriya?
King Kashyapa.
Kashyapa alone created Sigiriya like a cake. Is it possible?
No.
No.
That history is hidden from us. We don't know. Actually, we know that it is the era of King Kashyapa. That era belongs to King Kashyapa, but he is not the creator. No? We don't know who are the engineers, right? Involved in that category. We don't know who are the planners, who are the inventors. Who are the inventors, who are the engineers, who are the planners? We don't know, because in the history book, it is erased. It is not there. But if we knew that, think how important that is. If you knew the engineers, if you know the plan, if you know the planners, and if you know the people who have really contributed to the particular project, and if you have the project plan and the project details, that is very important. Because we will have that technology with us. But unfortunately, this book writers has written only the names of kings in the particular era. Surely that king has advised that, but king is not the planner, king is not the engineer, king was not the engineer, king was not the planner, and king was not the worker even. Sometimes king has involved in all three activities, not sure, because history book is not telling that. So we are learning, we are remembering something wrong. Actually, something narrow, not wrong, something narrow. It's very narrow. We cannot understand history by doing, going through that book. That is the situation. That is why we are such a nation, even though we had a great technology, we don't know the history. But the researchers coming to our country from the European countries, America and different areas, they do the researches. They go and find. They already know it is in the King Kashyapa's period. But are they satisfied with that? Or are they doing researches?
They are doing researches.
They are doing researches. They are not satisfied with that answer. If I ask question, so who made Sigiri? You tell King Kashyapa and you are satisfied. I am satisfied. I will give marks. Your mark is 100 out of 100. You are satisfied. You got A pass and you are happy. But if the same answer is given to an archaeologist in USA or UK or Canada or some other country, he is not happy. He will go and explore that. He will explore the soil. He will explore the technology. He will measure it. He will try to get the measurements. He will try to find the plan. That is the history he is searching about. But the thing is, we are not given that knowledge. Don't know why. That is why I don't like these subjects where you need to buy hard the things that then you only buy hard where the people are telling. If I tell, okay, World Wide Web is collection of web pages. It was exam question, what is World Wide Web? Well, collection of web pages. Mandano Haria. What happy? You are happy. It was a mandana lakunu. You got 100 out of 100. You are also happy. Your parents are also happy. You got A pass. But ultimately, you know what I tell. That's the only thing. That is really narrow. Okay. To experiment that, I will give you exercise. What is the birthday of Queen Elizabeth II? Yes, what is the birthday of Queen Elizabeth? Today was her funeral was there. I just need her birthday. 1921.
April 21.
1921, April
21.
21st. April 21st. Yes. How did you find?
By website.
Which website? Which website?
Google.
What is Google?
Website.
Yes, it's a
Searching.
search engine. That is what I need. So I gave you an exercise. What is the exercise? I asked the Queen's birthday. What did you do? You went to your web browser. Web browser Firefox walata hari, Safari walata hari, Google Chrome walata hari. Ekata neda giye salam.
Yes, sir.
Ne? Then mogatda. Ihana mogatda giye. Yes, edge the edge එකටද ගියේ මොකටද ගියේ ඉස්සෙල්ලාම දෝක කියනකොටම කොහෙටද ගියේ අන්න ඒක තමයි වැදගත් දැන් ඔයාලා ඉන්නේ IT lesson එකේනේ පුතේ මම ඔය ප්‍රශ්නේ අහනකොට මොකද කොහෙටද යන්නේ first you have to open your web browser right
Yes.
එහෙම කිව්වනම් මම කරන්නේ මොකද්ද first of all I'll open my web browser අපි හිතමු Firefox කියලා I'll open my web browser ඊට පස්සේ මොකද කරන්නේ what after that I will go to Google after that I will type Queen Elizabeth II birthday. Right? When I am searching, Google will suggest me it is April 21st, 1926. Okay, can you tell me the day? Is it a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday? Saturday or Sunday? So what is that?
We can't tell.
I'm asking April 21st, 1926. Which is the day? Is it like Sunday or Saturday or Monday? What is the
Don't know.
Yes, I know you don't know. But that is not my problem. Because you are doing ICT.
So I searched it, but it doesn't tell.
Your answer. What is the answer? I'm asking the day, right? I don't need the date. I'm asking the day. Which day? Now what do you need to do? Still you don't know, right? You don't know the answer. When you don't know the answer, what you do? You go to Google, then ask date to, right? Date to day in calendar. Day to day in calendar, right? Then so you can go to a calendar, online calendar, something, right? So let's go to this and see. So you need then what is the day that you are searching? It is create calendar for. So shall we give like 1921? Is it the year? Right?
Yes.
Yes, the country is. What is the current country? United Kingdom, right? United Kingdom, sure. Okay, this is 1921 in United Kingdom. So that is what is the date? April 24th. 21st.
Second Saturday in June.
Is it Saturday?
It is a Saturday.
So in 21 calendar, what is the date? Can you tell me the date?
April 21. It shows here Saturday, sir.
This is Saturday.
Yes, sir.
In UK calendar, don't search Sri Lankan calendar. It's UK calendar. It say this says that April
Not 1921, it's 1926.
1926. Sorry.
Yes,
That's
sir.
birthday. Queen Elizabeth's birthday. Yes, Queen Elizabeth's birthday. 1926. Right. That is the thing. 1926. That's my mistake. Sorry. 1926. And show. Did you know this site, website? කලින් දැනන් හිටියද මේ වෙබ්සයිට් එක තියෙන තැන timeanddate.com
No, sir.
Yes?
No, sir.
No. I even didn't know. මම දැනන් හිටියෙත් නෑ. I even didn't know this site. Then how did I find?
From the web browser.
Web browser, the search engine. අන්න ඒක තමයි ප්‍රශ්නේ. තාම තේරිලා නෑ.
Search engine.
Search engine. Web browser is just to display what we have found. The web browser is to just display what we have found. Search engine is to find the data. Search engine එකෙන් තමයි data හොයාගන්නේ. Web browser එක පෙන්නනවා විතරයි හොයාගන්න එක. හරියට ඔළුවට දාගන්න පුතේ. මේවා කටපාඩම් කරන්න බෑ. So in 1926 April 21 in calendar 1926 April 21 is 21st is
Wednesday.
It's a Wednesday. It's a Wednesday. Right? So you can cross check, right? Make a you can cross check. You can cross check date to day. So there are different websites. Calculator, day of week calculate. To see this, another website. I need to find out 1926 and 21st of April. I'm using another website now. So what is this? And it says it is a Wednesday, right? It's a Wednesday. Okay. It proves that our finding was correct. නේද? අපි හොයාගත්ත එක correct කියලා මේකෙන දෙකකින්ම කියනවනේ. ඔන්න තව එකකින් හොයලා බලන්න පුළුවන්. Did you know this site? මේ site එක දැනන් හිටියද ඔයගොල්ලෝ? කොහොමද කලින් දන්න කට්ටිය?
Yes, sir.
No. Then how did you find? Using
From the search engine.
From the search engine.
search engine. So why search engines are useful? Search engines are useful in finding unknown resources, unknown websites. Or if you don't know this is called URL. URL address. This address is called URL. But we cannot remember this now. If you don't know this, what we can do is we can find it using a search engine. Okay, let's write down that part. So basically, writing is also important. Otherwise, you will not remember this thing. But not to buy hard. අපි ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කළාම මතක තියාගන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට තමයි අපිට හොඳටම මතක හිටින්නේ. ඔයලා බලලා ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරගන්න ඕනේ. Okay, write down that. Okay. So I have already given the note, but anyway, so keep it as it is. You can write down in your book, right? This note you can obtain from Miss Lakmali. Okay, write down. I need to ask one more question. So before that. So what is website? And what is web page? What is web page and what is website? What is web
page is a single web
document? Web page is a single document. Then website? Website?
Website is interconnected pages.
Yes, website is connected web pages. Lot of web pages. Can there be a website with one web page?
No, there.
Yes or no? Can we create a website with one web page?
No, sir.
Can. Possible. Right? There are parents with one kid. Still they are parents. Still they are parents. Parents with one kid are also parents. Right? Website can have only one page. That doesn't matter. Can website get like millions of pages?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Possible. Some websites are having millions of pages. Some websites are having only one page. Some have 10, some have 5. It depends. Right? So anyway, website is a collection of connected web pages. And web page is only a single document. Right? Let's write down these facts now.
Sir, are you writing about website, web page, web browser, and search engine?
A website is a collection of interconnected web pages under a single domain name. It provides a service. Websites may have one or more pages, multimedia, like images, videos, sounds, and documents. We cannot remember all the addresses of these locations. These location addresses are called URLs, Uniform Resource Locators. Therefore, we will get the help of special web page or special website called search engine to find these resources. Examples you can say so these are the examples for search engines. Then I need to write domain name example. www.nie.lk is a domain name example. URL example. So let me copy that. nie.lk. This is very important lesson, right? Don't like if you join this class recently, maybe let's say you have joined this class very recently, today only you are coming to this class. But still this you are lucky because you have come to the best lesson in the lesson series. Because the main lesson this lesson is very, very important lesson. Main lesson lesson therefore, this lesson is very, very important lesson. So you have come right time, right? එතකොට දැන් ආයේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මිස් වුණ lessons ටික cover කරගන්න විදිහක් තියෙනවා. ඒක මම කියලා දෙන්න. We will do the revision. ඒකෙනුත් පුළුවන්. අනිත් එක practical කරද්දී ඔයාලට කොහොමද මුලින් ඉඳන් තමයි යන්නේ. We will start learning from the beginning, right? First lesson is එකෙන් තමයි යන්නේ. Practical එක. So don't worry about that. And ඒ වගේම ඔයාලා 7ට යද්දී අපි 6ට ආයේ එන්න දෙනවා. 6ට ඇවිල්ලා ආයේ මුලින් ඉඳන් ඒ ටික අහගන්න දෙනවා. ආයේ අලුත් තාස් පටන් ගන්නවා තව මාස දෙකකින්. එතකොට මුලින් ඉඳන් ආයෙ ඉගෙන ගන්න දෙනවා. හැබැයි ඒකට මම ඔයාලට දැම්මම එන්න කියලා කියන්නේ නැත්තේ. The reason is if you join with that class, you are going 1 year behind your friends. ඔයාලගේ යාළුවන්ට වැඩි ඔයාලා අවුරුද්දක් පස්සෙන් යන්නේ මොකද ඔයගොල්ලෝ පහු වෙලා join වෙලා හින්දා. ඒ හින්දා තමයි මම ඔයාලට කියන්නේ මේකෙම යමු. So be in this class. Later you can catch up, right? Don't worry. URL example is this. ni.lk PDF first. This is URL example. First, then what? To find this, you have to type the following query in search engine like Google. In Google search engine, let's say in Google, because other search engines will not support this query. මේක හරියටම හොයා ගන්නවාට ටයිප් කරන්න ඕන එක මම ඊළඟට කියන්නේ activity based oral English. So this is what you need to type in Google, right? Or වැඩිපුරම හොඳයි. The more suitable thing is the first thing. පළවෙනි එක type කරොත් අපිට පළවෙනි result එක විදියටම එනවා. දෙවෙනි එක type කරොත් ඒත් එනවා. ඔය තුන්වෙනි එක type කරොත් පළවෙනි page එකේ එන්නේ නැහැ result එක පහු වෙලා එනවා. So anyway, you can type all 3 queries to get that. Finish writing?
No, sir.
Okay. Class will be over by 8:10. That is the time that we are going to finish the class in another 5 minutes. That is what the usual time is. And you need to write down about search engine also. Sorry, search engine. So you need to write down about the web browser. Web browser here, please write down web browser.
Sir,
Used to, yes.
sir, can you send to the group this page and the last page that you sent the last week? I didn't receive the message.
Which one?
The last week note,
Hmm?
I didn't receive it. Sir.
So have you requested it from Ms. Lakmali?
So I was new to here last week.
Right. So if you like, so please send me a message, WhatsApp message, right? Please send me a WhatsApp message. I will arrange that, right? I will send you Ms. Lakmali's contact and you can
Okay.
get this arranged, right? Send me a WhatsApp message after the class.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
My GRCT account was not enrolled.
All right. Okay. That also you can talk with Ms. Lakmali, Ms. Paramita, or you can send me a WhatsApp message. I'll do that arrangement
I
also.
told her.
Okay. Send me a message. I'll check and get it done. Send me a WhatsApp
Okay.
message. I'll get it done. Okay. Web browser is used to display the web pages and related media. Web browser is used to, web browser is a software, is an application that need to be mentioned, which is used to display the web pages and related media to the users. So you can give the examples. Examples for the web browsers are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Edge, Opera, Safari. These are examples for web browsers. Yes. Internet Explorer, Tor. Please remember this, right? Don't forget this again. So this will be the last time I'm talking about. We have discussed a lot of things about the Google searching. Therefore, I will not remind these things again. This is for the last time, right? So don't ask me these things again, because I think that you can understand this very well. So if not, do the practicals when you are doing that thing. I'm opening Firefox now. Firefox is a web browser. So I'm going to Google now. Google is a search engine. Google Chrome, is it a web browser or search engine? Google Chrome.
Web browser.
Web browser.
The web browser. Google.com is
Search engine.
search engine. Don't forget that. Google.com is search engine, but Google Chrome is a web browser. Okay, I'll give you a small trick. This is for the students who wait till the last minute. අනිත් ඕන්න යාලා කලින් පොඩක් ලියුණානේ කම්මැලි හින්දා ඒගොල්ලන්ට ඕන්න නැහැ. But I'll give you a small tip. Right? Small. So this is actually, even some advanced level students don't know how to do that. So this will be an advantage. ඔයාලට අයියලා අක්කලා ඉන්නවනම් අහලා බලන්න දන්නවද ඒගොල්ලෝ කියලා. Check whether they know this or not. බලන්නකො දන්නවද කියලා. ඔය ලැජ්ජාවට සමානට ගියේ දන්නව ඔයාලා මේ මහමතක වෙලා තිබ්බේ හරි මම කියන්නේ නැතුව හිටියේ කියලා. හැබැයි ඇත්තටම දන්නේ නැහැ. So there are only handful of students know this. Handful of students. කියන්නේ පොඩි ගානක් දන්නේ. Students ලා සාමාන්‍යයෙන් 200ක් ගත්තොත් එක්කෙනෙක් විතර තමයි දන්නේ. Okay, what is that trick? Meanwhile, you are writing, you can refer to this, right? So this is the trick. So let's say you want to find movies in Google. Films hoya ganna. You want, but ඊළඟ සතියේ ඊට පස්සේ class එක නැති දන්නේ නැහැ. After downloading all the movies, your data is over. Then you can't come to the class. Not to do that, right? ඒකට නෙවෙයි මේ කියලා දෙන්නේ. Just a trick to find information. Okay, let's say you want to find movies. You can search like this in title, quotation, index of. Then you can say, let's say 2021 movies. Okay, this will give you results of folders having movies. Hari the meeting ඉවරයි නේද? Or take a screenshot. If you have not written, take a screenshot because I'm going to wind up the class with this example. Please take a screenshot or take a photo, or even the video will be uploaded. Don't worry, you will not miss this. එක්ක video එක තියෙනවා නැත්නම් screenshot එකක් ගහගන්න. Video එකෙන් බලන්නත් පුළුවන්, miss වුණා නම් ලියා ගන්න බැරි වුණා නම් video එක බලලා ලියා ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. So this is the trick. මෙහෙම බලන්න. If you search like this here, මේවට මම ගිහිල්ලා පෙන්නනවා. In this link, when I visit this link, I'll visit few links, right? First link, you can see මෙහෙම ගොඩාක් මෙහෙම කීපයක් එනවා. 2021 හින්දි ඔන්න ටිකක් එනවා. මම මේ ඩබල් ඩොට් වලින් උඩට යනවා. උඩට ගියාම when I move up, දැන් මෙතන එනවා මේ 2019, 20, 21, 22 ඔක්කොම තියෙනවා. ඒකෙත් උඩට යනවා දැන්. එතකොට මට එනවා here I'm getting, it is still loading, that site is slow. Let's search for some other site. තව වෙන site එකකුත් බලමු මේක slow වගේ. කොහොමද හොයන්නේ? Untitled index of 2021 movies. මේකට යමු. මේකටත් යමු. I'm opening few, right? Okay, and this one also. This one also, right? හරි දැන් මේකේ බලන්න. ඔය තියෙන්නේ මේ 2021 English movies. All are English movies. But you can just right click on down. Then make good again. You can see from 1992 you can find movies up to 2022. So let's say 2008 movies. Here are some. Then 2017 movies, and here are some. These are English. When you go up, you can see Chinese, other language, WW, all, Bangla, English, Hindi, horror, Korean, Tamil. Horror. Okay, these are Bangla, Hindi, international. Here, yes. Can you see? Folders, movie folders. You can find, not just the movies, movie folders. Folder pitima hambe. Okay, this is small tip. Just search and see. Next day, right? Yes, if you need kids movies, you can type that. Here in the query, you can type kids movies. That's it. Then you can find movies here, animation. Movies, animation. Animation. So what are these animation? You can go and see. Animated movies. 3D movies. Animation movies. Animated movies. Kids movies or animation. Here you are getting that. Okay, here these are animation movies. Right? More. Animation 2017. Right? Likewise, you can find a lot of resources this way, right? This is only an example. Okay. Then good night. See you all next week.
Good night, sir. Thank you.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir. Goodbye.